are traveling to heaven, or many other thorns on the way. It's not an easy road, but the Savior is with us. His presence gives us joy every day. No, no, it's not an easy road. No, no, it's not an easy road. But Jesus walks beside me and brightens the journey and lightens every heavy load. It's not an easy road. There are trials and troubles and many other dangers we meet. But Jesus doesn't give, so that nothing can harm us, and smooths the rough path for our feet. No, no, it's not an easy road. No, no, it's not an easy road. But Jesus walks beside me and brightens the journey and lightens every heavy load. As Jesus walks beside me and brightens the journey and lightens every heavy load. Though I am often footsore and weary from trouble, though I am often bowed down with care, a better day is coming when home in the glory will rest in perfect peace over there. No, no, it's not an easy road. No, no, it's not an easy road. But Jesus walks beside me